Hello friends, welcome to our Stendhal world. Today let's see what is trigeminal neuralgia. Trigeminal neuralgia. It occurs suddenly, usually unilateral, confined to one side of the face. Brief, it is of short duration. It won't last for a long time. Stabbing. Patient feels as if he is stabbed with a sharp pointed object. Fascinating, a piercing sensation will be there. Paroxysmal, a sudden recurrence of symptoms. The paroxysms occur in cycles. Each cycle lasts for weeks or months, and with the time, cycles appear closer and closer. With each attack, the pain seems to become more intense and unbearable. Recurring pain in the distribution of one or more branches of trigeminal nerve. We know that there are three branches for trigeminal nerve, that is mandibular, maxillary and ophthalmic. Out of this, mandibular division is most commonly involved, then the maxillary, and very rarely ophthalmic division is involved. So, what is trigeminal neuralgia? It is defined as sudden, usually unilateral, brief, stabbing, lacerating, paroxysmal, recurring pain and the distribution of one or more branches of trigeminal nerve. It is an extremely painful condition. History. In 1677, John Locke, he gave first full description with its treatment. And in 1756, Nicholas André, he coined the term tic douloureux. And in 1773, John Fothergill, he published a detailed description of TN. Afterwards, it is also known as Fothergill's disease. Synonyms. What are the other names of TN? Tic douloureux, trifacial neuralgia, Fothergill's disease. Tic douloureux, painful jerking because of the twitching of facial muscles of affected side during attacks. The patient suffers spasmodic contraction of facial muscles during attack. Etiology and pathogenesis. The cause is unknown, usually idiopathic, but there are vascular factors such as transient ischemia and autoimmune hypersensitivity, which can cause demyelination of the nerve. Mechanical factors such as aneurysm of interpetrous portion of internal carotid artery may erode the floor of intracranial fossa, which can cause irritation on the ventral side of trigeminal ganglion. More recently, anomaly of superior cerebellar artery is blamed for causing TN. This artery lies in contact with the sensory root of trigeminal nerve, and any anomaly for this artery can cause demyelination of the nerve. Other probable etiological factors such as dental etiology, infections, granulomatous and non-granulomatous infections involving the fifth cranial nerve causes neuralgic pain. Ratner's jawbone cavities. The cavities in the alveolar bone and jawbone is also a causative factor. Multiple sclerosis. TN occurs in many patients with multiple sclerosis. It is most common type of demyelinating disease. Petrous ridge compression. TN may be caused by compression of nerve at the dural foramen or over the petrous tip. Post-traumatic neuralgia, the most common type of traumatic neuroma involving the trigeminal branch following trauma resulting from dental procedures. Intracranial tumors such as epidermoid tumors, meningiomas are also a causative factor. Intracranial vascular abnormalities, it is also a common finding. Viral etiology. Post-herpetic neuralgia seen in elderly patients. Previous history of varicella zoster virus present in these patients. General characteristics. Incidence. It is rare. It occurs about 4 in 1 lakh people. Age of occurrence. It is commonly seen in elderly, 5th and 6th decade of life. Sex predilection. Females are more predilected. Affliction for sides. Right side is most commonly affected than the left. Division of trigeminal nerve involvement. Mandibular division is more commonly involved than the maxillary, and ophthalmic division is very rarely affected. Clinical characteristics. It occurs suddenly, unilateral, intermittent, paroxysmal, lacinating, sharp shooting, shock-like pain elicited by slight touching superficial trigger points which radiates from the point across the distribution of one or more branches of trigeminal nerve. The pain rarely crosses the midline. The pain usually confined to one part of one division of trigeminal nerve. Pain is of short duration, lasts for few seconds but may recur at variable frequency. During attack, patient grimaces with pain, clutches his hands over the affected side of face, stopping all activities until the attack subsides. Male patients avoid shaving. Poor oral hygiene because patients avoid brushing. In extreme cases, patients will have motionless face, frozen or mask-like. Presence of intraoral and extraoral trigger points. Attack does not occur on sleep. Trigger zones. It is an area of facial skin or oral mucosa where low intensity mechanical stimulation such as slight touch, an air puff, or even touching face at a particular point, or chewing, speaking, or even by smiling can elicit typical pain attack. Location of triggers depends on which division of trigeminal nerve involved. In mandibular division, lower lip, teeth, gums of lower jaw, rarely tongue was involved. In maxillary division, skin of upper lip, ala nase, or cheek or upper gums. In ophthalmic division, supraorbital ridge of affected side. Triggering factors: chewing, washing face, talking, applying makeup, brushing teeth, shaving, even a cool breeze on face can elicit the pain. Thank you. Hope you all like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.